Hi guys, I will show you how to make a GIF from YouTube video. So let's jump into YouTube and let's find some, for example that one. Open a new tab and you want to make a GIF from that video. So it's very easy. Let's go to search bar and edit that link. Just type GIF before YouTube. Just hit enter. It will automatically redirect you to kind of GIF editor. And now you can easily pick the start time and you can edit and set the end time. Let's say that's fine. You can add here some adjustments and there is actually a lot of more options, but let's say it's fine and just create GIF file. Add some title, let's say egg and egg tag. It will be public. Hit next. You don't want to go premium, so no thanks. And it's done. Now you get the link, the embedded source, or you can download that GIF. Very simple, very easy. I think that it helps you and thanks for watching.